On this episode, we check out IKEA Philippines, which is the biggest IKEA in the world. As a foodie and a huge fan of IKEA's food hall, we of course had to visit the IKEA Philippines one and see what it's like compared to London. So the goal of this IKEA trip was to basically try the food here, but I've ended up buying a clock and a couple of other things. I don't know how I'm gonna fit that into my luggage, but that's a problem we're gonna deal with once we get to there. But yeah, it's so much more cheaper here compared to London, man. I wish I could just ship it all back. So now that we got our food, what we got was, we got 4 Swedish IKEA meatballs, 6 chicken wings, which is massive. We got an apple crumble, an apple cake, a carrot cake, a chocolate cake, 2 vegetable spring rolls, and mushroom soup. Yeah, it looks so bomb. I think all of it was for around £25. Back in the UK, this probably would have sent me back 40 maybe, £50 almost, maybe a little bit less. But yeah, let's see if it tastes the same. Alright, let's have a taste of the meatballs. It's smaller than the UK one though. The UK must be meatballs. Tender. Tender. Really good actually. I think I prefer this to the UK's one. I don't know why, but the meat is so much more tender. Can't go wrong with mashed potatoes too. I'm gonna try our wings. So they have chicken wings here. They also have rice in this IKEA, because of course the Philippines, but we don't get that. A lot of carbs already. Chicken wings look so crispy. This might be better than the Jollibee chicken then. Really good actually. Really good. Chicken's really good. Crispy. Fed on ketchup actually. It's not ketchup. The chicken is good. Chicken's good. I low-key rate this chicken more than Jollibee, man. Just lumpia. Really dip it in a bit. Spring roll's nice. Spring rolls is banging. Spring rolls are my favorite part. Now that I'm stuffed, look at these two that eat
Wait.
But yeah, food was really good, so we're gonna have the cake. So I've got chocolate, carrot, apple crumble, and crunchy almond cake. So yeah, let's go try it. So the almond, let's try carrot muna.
Stick ako sa chocolate.
Oh, carrot. Carrot, do you go carrot cake? Yeah, I'll say carrot cake.
Stick ako sa chocolate.
Moist. That's almond now. Tastes almond. Apple crumble. Can't go wrong with chocolate though. Like fudge. Yeah, I say the carrot cake wins. Ikaw.
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
carrot cake.
After that heavy meal, we then went to go get some soft serve. This was soft serve from IKEA's pretty cool little machine, which I haven't seen in London. And after that, we crossed over the road onto the Mall of Asia, where we played a little bowling, where we kind of killed some time before we met up with my other cousins. It was a pretty poor start, as you can see here. It did end up getting a bit better once we warmed up, and I did end up winning because, come on, it's your boy. We then met up with my cousin at Army Navy for some quick bites for dinner. We had some birria tacos, which I did also make previously. I think mine was much better. Yeah, so we just had birria tacos from Army Navy. It was pretty good. I think mine was kind of similar to that. Mine was probably better, so. We then ended up stopping at this really cool cafe on the way home. This was called the Crossing Cafe in Alabang. The place was really, really nice. It was really bougie. We then head up to the top, which was the rooftop bar, where we had some coffee, and I had a cocktail mojito just because it was like really hot and it cooled. So that was pretty much it for the day. So we kind of just chilled and relaxed and caught up while having drinks. So yeah, thanks for watching.